Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to be invisible and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to go to the gears items. Okay, and if you want to be invisible, you need to use this mushroom, Invisibility Mushroom. You can purchase it from here. It's a legendary item guys. And once you have this item, you'll be able to make your avatar invisible for the other players. And from the information that I got, you can be invisible for 30 seconds after you consume this mushroom. It's ideal for the robberies. Only your avatar is visible in a transparent white color. No one else can see the player. Yeah, if you want to be invisible, just use this invisibility mushroom, and it's good for the robberies. If you want to steal the other player's fruit, you can use this invisibility mushroom to protect yourself. Okay, guys, and that's all about the invisibility mushroom to make our avatar invisible in Create Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.